Here's a mistake I see all the time. Developers reach for union when combining query results, not realizing they're paying a massive performance penalty. Let's fix that. The difference is simple but critical. U9 removes duplicate rows by performing a sort or hash operation on the entire result set. U9-ol keeps every single row from both queries, duplicates included. Same syntax, completely different execution. Here's where it gets expensive. When you use U9, the database has to sort or hash every row to find duplicates. That's an extra full table scan on your combined results. With large datasets, this can turn a millisecond query into seconds. U9-ol skips all of that. It just appends the second result set to the first. No sorting, no hashing, no performance hit. So when should you use U9-ol? Anytime your data sources don't overlap. Combining logs from different servers, merging partition tables by date range, or pulling records from completely separate entities. If duplicates are impossible or don't matter, U9-ol is the right choice. Here's the golden rule. Make U9-ol your default. Only switch to U9 when you specifically need to eliminate duplicates. Most of the time, you either know your sources are disjoint or you're handling deduplication in application logic anyway. Don't pay for a database operation you don't need. Remember, U9-ol is faster because it doesn't deduplicate. Use it by default unless you explicitly need unique rows. Practice more SQL questions at Interview Mentor. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.